Newegg has been the premier destination for buying PC components online for years. Logically, the next step was for us to start creating our own products. Introducing the Newegg iBright CPU. With the iBright, Newegg has introduced the world's first CPU with built-in RGB capabilities. Our marketing team has racked their brains searching for the right words to describe the aesthetic qualities of the iBright. Opulent, grandiose, ostentatious, eye-meltingly shiny. The world's first CPU with RGB lighting, red, green, and blue. Yes, you can choose from any of those 3 colors for your lights out of the box. And if you want more shades, you'll be able to purchase them through simple microtransactions.